Whew. Okay, I've got some vice grips positioned in such a manner down there that I'm hoping the rest of that body under there is not unscrewing, not going to turn, and I've got to gently somehow get this screw to undo here. I think it's going. There. Thank you. Whoa. Lots to working on old things. Because if you can't get the old thing off, then chances are you're not going to be able to fix the cartridge. Okay? So now that cartridge has to come off. And it's got threads on it. Let's show you what it looks like. See these threads right there? That's what I have to undo over there. I really don't need this top thing. They kind of, see, this is kind of a set screw, but it really doesn't work too well with this existing style. Right. They give you different parts for different things because, see, here's a threaded piece, here's another screw, here's another screw. Yeah, that all comes in the package. Okay, but you see, here's the old screw, and it's got that neck on there, and that's where that set screw fits for the handle. See, when that handle comes back down on there and you tighten up the set screw goes in between this area, and that's what helps hold that on there. The new one they give you isn't as long, see? First off, it's not very long. Secondly, this neck isn't very long here either. And I've looked at that and it kind of makes it wobble. So that's why it's tricky to get this out. It's also tricky. Everything's tricky, you know, because of old parts, okay? So the next thing I got to do is undo that. I've got my vice grips under there in such a manner as I'm turning that, the handle hits up to the edge of the cabinet. So I need a big crescent wrench to loosen that up. That's my next step. To wipe up, get rid of all your tools, clean up, and we're gonna call it good. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.